Good morning, and would you just look at how beautiful a day it is outside? And that's why we're getting up, getting out, and going on a mini adventure. So we have the charger, we need the wallet, the keys, let's go. You can't forget the shoes. Just like that, they're good to go. And you can't forget the snack. And we've made it to our destination. Man, it is hot outside. I did not realize it was supposed to be this hot today. But our first stop, Barnes & Noble. Let's go. While Chloe's looking for the books, we're getting some coffee. More specifically, an iced vanilla latte. But now we gotta find Chloe wherever she's at. But they had a new girl working, so I think this is one of her first ever drinks. Let's give it a taste test. Shaper, good job. Pretty good job. Can't go that way. Where am I? And where do we find her? Looking at the bloody coloring books. Oh, no, that one. That's kind of cool.
This is cool.
Give you like a inspiration reference photo.
Yeah.
So this is what it should look like. Now what does yours look like? They have this Scratcher Around the World book. It's really cool. So like, you use this utensil here to scratch it, it colors it. Oh, that's sick. You know we gotta check out the Legos. They have a medieval blacksmith. I've never seen that before, but that is a bit of me, mate. The A-frame cabin, looking good as always. The Jazz Club looks really cool. Millennium Falcon. This Holiday Main Street, and the Boutique Hotel. I'm pretty sure the Boutique Hotel is like sold out online everywhere, so that's a pretty good find. Look how cool this looks. Has like the crest. Oh yeah. It's called the Harry Potter Film Vault. But as you guys may or may not know, my favorite show of all time is The Last Kingdom. So, I believe the author is Bernard Cornwell, and I am on the hunt. Where are they? So we did find them. They're right here. Whole bunch of them. But I'm looking for like that crispy, like it's a medieval show or book series. So they gotta have those like really cool hardback versions. We gotta look online or something. Thought they might have them here, but we'll check it out. Like it's something like this is more like what I'm looking for. We're out of Barnes & Noble and into Ross because it's like this little plaza area, and look at this. You can get a full-on machete for 12 bucks. Don't worry though, it's professional. Why? This is what I came here for. We're now at Dick's Sporting Goods. I think these shirts are amazing. So I think I'm gonna get another black one here. They have my size. Yeah. And then maybe the gray one. I'm pretty sure I have a blue one, a red one, a tan one. So I'm gonna go gray. And look, I don't know if anyone's noticed this. You probably have. But the DSG logo can go that way or that way. Crazy stuff, man. Crazy stuff. We have the shirts. We're just here looking at the footballs, and then we're gonna have to find Chloe somewhere. Let's go take a look at the shoes. Because, as you guys know, I am still looking a pair of just shoes to go around in the yard with. So let's go look. They now make Air Jordan football cleats. Those are kind of clean. Bag secured, and now we get to go eat. Okay, well, we're gonna eat.
What do you want me to say?
Anything. What are we gonna eat?
Olive Garden.
Olive Garden. And just like that, we made it to Olive Garden, and look at that. Not too bad. It is
And
like,
if there's one thing that Cody's gonna do, it's gonna be park at the back of the parking lot, even though all these other spots here are open.
what other spots? Those are all
Are there
cars right
spots?
there. Nope, no other spots.
Park at the back of the lot.
No, I don't see any spots. I see no open spots. None.
Oh my god.
Normally we just go with water, but when you're at Olive Garden, it's hard to pass up the Bellini Peach Raspberry Iced Tea. It's actually been a while. Yeah. Ooh, that's good. And you gotta get some of that salad with the black olive. I got the chicken scampi with bell peppers and onions. Looks absolutely amazing. And
The chicken masala.
Chicken marsala. That's pretty good.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah, you should try that.
Too peppery.
Devoured. And just like that, we're out of Olive Garden. How was the chicken marsala?
Alfredo's better.
What did I get again?
The chicken scampi.
Chicken scampi. It was good. I'd say maybe like a 7.3. It was not the best thing in the world, but it wasn't bad. I wish the chicken was charred on the outside. So I feel like a little bit of a crisp would have made that dish way better. But now, I don't know what we're doing now. No one knows. No one knows. Also, big shout out to Ben, our waiter. Amazing. Probably the best service we've ever had at Olive Garden. At least at this Olive Garden. So, Ben, shouts out to you. But let's get going. And I guess the road leads to Best Buy. And it's not that bad of a view either. I mean, look at that. So just here looking at the power banks and chargers, and I can't believe they actually have this. I was looking at this online. So it's an Anker 2-in-1 battery pack and wall charger. So let's see if there's a better, nope, okay, that's the best picture you get. Has the wall plug right there. And it's also an on-the-go battery pack as well, which is insane. So the less cords, the better. But it is $100. And I am thinking about getting one of these because the one I'm rocking with now, it works fine. It's also a 2016 MacBook Pro that Chloe used to use for college. This is the MacBook Air, and they're pretty nice looking. So let me know what you guys think down below. Should I get the MacBook M2 Air or MacBook Air M2? Let me know. Brand new mini tripod, secure. This is gonna help out for like those restaurants. This actually, we should probably went here first before we went to the restaurant, but now we're off. I believe we're going home. So I'll see you guys in a bit. And just like that, we are back home. What a day. What a day. It is, oh my God, it is so humid out here. It's sticky. But you might be like, wait, I came for the dog content. Don't worry, I'll show them. But I do have a story to tell you guys here after the haul to show you everything we got today and to unbox the brand new tripod. I do have a little story to tell you guys about this. You might be like, a grass patch? What do you mean? Don't worry, stay tuned, and you guys will find out here very, very soon, right after we go upstairs, unbox the tripod, and I'll tell you guys the full story. Over at Barnes & Noble, Chloe picked up 2 drawing books, how to draw cute stuff. Got some different animals and such. Piece of toast, people. You want to see too, you could. Koala bear. And then also the big book of super cute things to draw. Benedict's, I picked up the 2 brand new shirts that you guys always see me wearing. I got another black one and a gray one this time as well. Oh my God. I'm about to rip a hole in it. And then at Best Buy, you guys seen I picked up the Telepod Mobile. I wanted a smaller tripod so I can take it into like restaurants and stuff. Just have a little bit better of an angle. Come on! Man, this thing is really packed in there. All right. Let's see what we got going on. So this says it can go from 7.5 inches up to 22 inches, which is perfect. I think it comes with a little, oh, yes it does. It comes with a little remote as well. So you can remotely use the shutter and it stays connected. Nice. Has the little ball head so you can change the angle of it at any time. So I actually really like this, nice and grippy. A little rubber on the sides here, and then also, bam, pops out like a little tripod. And then to actually get the pod to come out, you just twist this up top, bam, 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 bam. Just like that. Then you spin it back to the right to lock it. Boom. So I'm pretty sure you can have this at pretty much whatever size you want. So I want it right there, bam, just lock it just like that. So it's nice and small. It actually has a hole on each one of these tripod legs, so you can put this cold shoe mount wherever you want it on the tripod. Easily just slide your phone in. If you want to unlock it, spin it to the left, and then spin it back to the right to relock it, and bam, there you go. There you lift the tripod, bring it all back down, lock it back in.
Don't call 911.
And you want to carry it as a little, don't trap that in there, little monopod, bam, there you go. And you can also take this off if you don't want it on there, which I probably will do. On the go, boom, slap it down, good to go. Now, like I did say, I do want to tell you guys a little bit about the story of that little grass pile you've seen over there. So let's get right into it. And I have you guys on the brand new tripod, so let's lift it up a little bit here. Oh, we can get all the angles now. We can get all of them. That is bloody beautiful. So it wasn't always that grass pile. It was actually just a little burrow, which I thought was just a little piece of dirt on the ground. I didn't realize there was a whole burrow there. Pascal was like walking up to it real slow the last couple of days and like kind of jumping back after she smelled something. I didn't even really think anything of it because she only did it a couple times here and there. So I finally decided to go over, I'll check it out. And Euclid was paying no attention to it at all. And turns out there were little baby bunnies, at least 2 of them burrowed up right there in the corner. I just cut the grass. There was a ton of little grass patties everywhere. I decided, you know what, I'll try to hide their scent and create a little burrow and everything, little hut for them. And I tried to keep it not right over top of the burrow or anything, give them some space and everything, because I didn't know how much of my scent would affect the mother or the parents of the rabbits. But I actually, like, the chances of this happening are so slim. I have to be in the right place at the right time. We were down in Chloe's office, and I just decided, you know what, I'm gonna look out the window to see if I can see it from here. I look out the window. The mother is there feeding the babies. And not only that, another rabbit came over. He was a little bit hesitant, a little bit startled of the scent that the little hut that I created had, but overall went well. But man, let me tell you, today was a stressful morning. We woke up, took the dogs for a walk, all good to go. Come back here, and one of the bunnies decided he wanted to venture out of the burrow. And I was just over here with Pascal, just hanging out, just giving her pets, playing with her with the tennis ball. And I look over and Euclid's like rushing towards something. I'm like, oh my God, here we go. I throw the phone, hurry up, sprint over there and get the dogs inside. Hopefully everything's okay, everything's all right with the bunnies and everything. I did check when we came back home. They are back in their burrow, so hopefully they either found their way back or their mother came and brought them back. I don't know, but hopefully everything's okay. But that could have been very bad. I don't know if you would want to necessarily eat the rabbit. More so it looks like he just wanted to sniff. But the problem with Euclid, he is super friendly to everything he finds, but he is a very up in your face type of dog. He can't sniff you from a foot away. He has to sniff you nose right on ya. So him being like a 70-pound dog was probably a little much for the little, probably 2, maybe 3-pound bunny. Like, I'm talking, these things are like the size of my fist. So hopefully everything was a-okay there. I think everything is all right now. I don't really want to bother them anymore. They had a stressful enough time today. With that being said, I know in a previous vlog I told you guys we were going to do the dog bubbles, and I was planning on doing them today because I saw the bunnies leaving the burrow. I thought that'd be it. I thought we'd be able to come out and do that, but now, since this happened today, I don't think it's a good idea with them being back here and Euclid being in such a crazy mood. I don't think it's a good idea. I don't want to add any more stress to them, stress to us, or stress to the dogs. We're gonna hold off on the bubbles to another day. But hopefully with this tripod here, some of the scenes in the vlog will be a little bit better angle and everything, just because filming at a restaurant is kind of hard. It's kind of difficult because there's nowhere really to put your phone ever. So hopefully this helps. I figure, you know what? I enjoy creating the vlogs and I want to make them a little bit better, make them as good as I can. I don't want them to be absolutely perfect, a super cinematic movie type thing. I just want to share my life with you guys, and I want to say a massive thank you for spending some of your time on my time. That means so much to me. And I kind of just want to create like a little video diary series of my life and what goes on, so I don't know, 10-15 years from now I can look back and see what I was doing. Also, in a previous vlog, if you guys stuck around to the very end, you see me throw a football into that net right there on the first try as I was tripping on a tennis ball. So if you guys don't believe that was the first try, I don't know what to tell you. That was the first try. All I did is grab the table from the patio, place it right there, came in, grabbed the football. Oh, sorry, football. That's the football. Came back outside and said, there's only one thing left to do. That was a bad one, but it went in anyway. See ya! I do also want to say, if you guys are enjoying the videos, make sure leaving a like, subscribing, and ding on the bell for notifications. I want to say a massive thank you. We've gained over 2... There's a plane right there. There's literally a plane right there. Like, that thing is low. But like I was saying, I want to say a massive thank you. We've gained over 200 200 subscribers in a week. I mean, you mad bot, absolutely mad. 200 subscribers, oh my God. What are you doing? If you guys are enjoying the videos, make sure you're leaving a like, subscribing, and hitting on the bell, and letting me know down below in the comments what you guys want to see, and if you guys want to see more than just the one weekly vlog, or if you want to comment your favorite part of the video, leave an emoji, whatever it may be, to help with the engagement here on the channel. I'd very much appreciate it. If you have been sticking around to the end of the vlogs, you may have noticed there's some bonus clips. So for you legends that are sticking around to the very end, thank you very much. I do appreciate it. And not for real this time. I'll see you next time. All right. Quick bunny update before we head off here. I went to let the dogs out. I went out in the yard by myself, checked the area, didn't see anything. Opened the door, said okay to release the dogs, and Pascal just poof, took off like a bullet. I was like, what the heck? And I just see, like, as she's going, I just see these two little ears like, oh my God, oh no. She grabs the bunny. I hurry up and grab Euclid, pull him back inside because I know he'll get way too excited. Pascal grabs the bunny by the ears. The bunny's not screaming, not getting hurt or anything. Just grabs by the ears and literally starts doing laps around the yard, around that the net I have out there. And I'm so glad when I took Euclid back in, I shut the door because Pascal ran straight toward the door to try to bring the bunny inside. I'm like, oh my God. I'm sitting there screaming, chasing her to let go of this bunny because the last thing I wanted is for this bunny to die. I've been nurturing these bunnies for the past week. I built them a home, but everything was okay. Pascal let go of the bunny. I got her inside, and she was so excited that she caught the bunny. I don't know if she thought it was her friend. I don't know, but she was so happy that she got this bunny, and I was just like so like in a panic. So I got the bunny. I got a towel, wrapped it up, and put it over back toward its little nest area. And hopefully everything is a-okay. It was still running around, jumping, everything was fine. So hopefully it's all good, but I didn't want to leave him on the patio and him stay there on the patio, so I put him over back by the nest. All good. Hopefully everything is okay. But man, what a stressful time. But Pascal was proud of herself. What are you doing? What are you doing? If you can't tell, I'm having a ton of fun with this tripod right now, but let's see if we can get a better one. Oh, let's go. No joke. That was my first throw. Oh, what a day, what a day. You know, hello, sir. Hello. Mr. Fibonacci. How are you, mate? Mr. Fibonacci.